Welcome to the Times Higher Education THE Live ANZ virtual event.
To view the full programme agenda, click the clock icon. You can pre-select the sessions you wish to view, which will be visible in My Agenda for quick access. There are two stages for this event, the collaboration stage and the ideas stage. To view presentations, click on the presentation you wish to view. To access the session, click on the View button in either the agenda, My Agenda, or in the stage the session is playing in, and this will take you to the webinar. Please enter your name, and you will be held in a waiting room for a couple of minutes before the session starts. Please ask your questions in the chat function during the webinar. To turn off chat notifications, click on the wheel icon and disable the sound notification. You can leave the session by clicking Leave Room, or when the session ends, you'll be redirected back to the programme. From there, you'll be prompted to select the next session, or you can navigate back to the lobby.